Okay, in this short little video, I'm going to show you how to embed the code for this voki on your web page, and it's a little bit tricky. Once you've created your voki, you've published it, you have this information up here, you're going to do this right here, right at the bottom where it says grab the code and place it on your web page. Sometimes I can just click right in the middle and all of that will select and highlight, but for some reason on this website it doesn't work. So what I've got to do is put my cursor, see how right now my cursor is right in the middle? I've got to move my cursor to the very most top part of this code. With one finger I'm going to click, with my other hand and a different finger I'm going to drag all the way down, keep going until it goes all the way down to object. I have to have everything highlighted in blue. And I've got to get all these little symbols. So notice how it ends with object and it begins with object. I have to have all that highlighted. Then if I go up to the top of my screen and select edit, I can select copy. And now I've copied all this code on my clipboard. Then I'm going to navigate to my web page. Before I can make any changes on my web page, I have to be logged in. And remember, your login is just your lunch number. Your username is your lunch number, and your password is your lunch number. Okay, I'll get myself logged in here. And it's storming at my house right now, so I think my internet's going a little bit sluggish. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to add this to my Thursday. Let's see. I'm going to go to my Monday morning class. Okay, now remember, if I just were to click right here, that would actually open up that page. I don't want to open it. I want to edit it. So I have to click on the pin to the right of my page. So this will not only open it, but it will let me edit it while it's open. Okay? Now this is a little bit tricky. These are some things that I already added in class today. I want to add that code from my voki. So it's really important that I pay attention where my cursor is. I want my voki to go, let's see, I'm going to put my voki right down here at the bottom. So I'm going to put my cursor, there it is blinking, after the last item that I have on my web page. I'm going to hit return. And then right up here with my tools, I have this option here to insert a page break. If I select that, it's going to put kind of a line there, like a horizontal line. I'm going to come and click below it, and I'm going to hit return to go a little bit further down. Okay, now this is kind of the freaky part. I'm going to come up here and hit source, and it's going to show all of my source code, which is almost looks like a foreign language, okay, but it's just HTML code. So notice how nice and neat this looks right now. I'm going to hit source and it all changes, okay? But I don't need to panic because we can figure this out. If I put my cursor down here at the bottom and hit return, I should be able to go up to the top and hit edit, paste, and it's going to add more of this code, which is kind of hard to figure out, but see, I can tell that I pasted the right thing, that it has something to do with voki. I can see object, it's going to start with an object, and it's going to end with object. That's looking good. So from here, I want to just hit edit article, and if I did it right, my voki is going to show up on my web page. Let's see if we did it right. Looks pretty good. There we go. There's my voki. So that is how you embed code and insert that voki onto your web page.